Oh, God. Oh. Oh. That's one. Man, the wind is blowing. But in today's video, we're going to go out for 2 days, 2 hours apiece, and we're going to see how many fish we can catch using just red baits. So let's get on the water. Okay, we are out here. Let's see what happens. It's currently 44 degrees, but I have the Strike King red-eyed shad in all red, red and black. So hopefully we can get some bites. Yeah. Oh, God. Yeah, that's one. That is one. He's not big, but he got it. That's cool. But here we go. Poundfish, barely a poundfish, but we got one. Yeah, oh, your jaw's slightly messed up right there, but that'll be all right. You'll be okay. Thanks for biting, dude. Yep, right. That's where I wanted you to bite it. Nice little one. Thanks for biting, dude. Probably the same one from the other day. Oh, God. This one's even smaller. I feel like it's... Oh, God, you almost hooked me. I feel like it's the same too. Must be where they're trying to make beds. Definitely not a pound. Thanks for biting, dude. Oh. That one's better. Another small one. It's a fish. Thanks for biting. Got one. Yeah. Barely hooked. Barely hooked. 1 pounder. Nice. Thanks for biting, dude. Got one. Oh man, I had one. Oh God. Cool, another fish, little guy. Little one. Here we go. Thanks for biting. We'll see. Just cover in water. That's one. Got one. Decent one. Just don't come off. Oh, yeah. Nice. Cool. Got another fish. Thanks for biting, dude. Okay. Out here again on this super cloudy day. Winds are supposed to be up to 20 to 21 mile an hour gusts. We'll see how that goes. And hopefully we can catch him. I've got a super red chatterbait on with the Kamikaze Swim On flamethrower color. I'm going to throw that around. If I don't get any bites on it, I'll more than likely switch the trailer to the new, Crush City, the mayor, that is red craw color. My buddy John said that he caught a 3-pounder on an all red chatterbait the other day. So, man, I'm hoping we can duplicate that. That would be amazing. Shout out to John. That's a fish. No way. We got a bite. Oh my god. He ate it. Oh, that is super cool. Nice little. He might be a pound. I doubt it. But a little guy. But we're looking for something bigger today. Thanks for biting, dude. Thank you. Gotta be one over here. Blows my mind when I don't get a bite over in this area. That's one. Nice. Oh, this one feels good. That one feels good. Nice. Okay, that's like a 2-pounder. Two pounds, 9 ounces. Cool, though. 2-pound, 9-ounce fish. Nice. Thanks for biting, dude. And he's off. Let's see if we can get something bigger, though. Oh, God, that's another one. He's little. Oh, God. I made that mistake. I knew I should have used the net. I'll learn eventually. Yeah, at some point I'll always use the net. Oh, that's one. Oh, God. That's a nice one. Oh, God. That is a nice one. He's under the yak. He's under the yak. Oh, God. Oh, yes. Oh, God, that's a big one. Look how fat that is. Here we go. 4-pounder right there. I had a feeling, definitely had a feeling that this fat thing was a 4. Look at that belly. Look at it. 4-pounder. Nice. That was a good fish. Thanks for biting. Slowly going. Oh, that's a fish. I'll pick you up. I'll pick you up like that. Yeah, 2 pounds, 3 ounces. Nice 2-pound fish right here, everybody. It's pretty cool. Thanks for biting, dude. That's one. I got one. Oh, it's fighting. It is fighting. Oh, God. Decent one. Decent one. Nice. In the cheek. Deep in the cheek. Okay. 1 pound, 12 ounces. Not bad. There we go. A fish in. Took us 30 minutes to catch another fish. That's crazy. But hey, good fish. Nice little color coming back. Thanks for biting, dude. Oh, that's one. Yeah. Little one. Definitely little. Super little. Not even gonna weigh him. Thanks for biting, dude. Oh, man. There we go. Oh, my God. Keep thinking I'm getting bites. I did have a bite. No way. It took the trailer. It took my tail. There we go. That was a fish. Are you serious? Again? I just put you on. No way. Alright, that's not the straightest, but it's a chatterbait. So realistically, the straightness isn't that big a deal. Alright, I'm gonna try this again. Yeah, I figured after those two, he was like, nah, I don't want that. Those taste funny. Well, dang. Oh, watched it. I watched it. That was cool. That's why I was losing them, because you are small. And why I was losing my trailers. No way. Cool, that's a fish though. Thanks for biting, bud. We're gonna fish the rest of this way and then go home. It'll be a little bit over 2 hours. So I guess you could say that's cheating. But, oh my God, I hook set. So weird. Dang it. But one bit it, one was over there. No way. What did I pick up? Rope. That was a great skip though. That was cool. How I just got freaking line burn on my finger. Ah. Oh, that's one. No way. No way. Last stretch. Last fish of the day. Ooh, and it's back there. He wanted that. Look how well he ate that. Well, maybe a pound. Maybe a pound. He's cold though. Maybe a pound fish. Ooh, he's got a weird scar right there. Something tried to munch him. But thanks for biting, dude. Oh, he was mad. But we're back. Again, shout out to John for mentioning a red chatterbait. See you soon, buddy. And what a awesome, and I do mean freaking awesome, 2 days of fishing for only 2 hours at that. But that's the video, you guys. I hope you guys liked it. You guys could watch another video, and I will see you guys next time.